Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today I decided to combine my wish list and current anti-haul. Things that I've seen out that are kind of on the newer side that I really want, and things that I am going to stay as far away from as possible because the minute I look at them I just think, why? Or maybe they're new and I've heard about them and I've heard nothing but bad things, so I will not touch them. So we're gonna start with the anti-haul first. So the first thing is the MAC Powder Boom Boom Bloom. It's the highlight powder. I'm more so talking about the Floreal light pastel pink shade. I've seen a few people talk about these, and apparently they have the overlay of really pretty shimmer, but they're highlighting powders and they're pink. They're pastel bright pink. So they're really not highlighting powders, they're blush pretty much. They are $30 and not worth it in my opinion. The next is the Jeffree Star brush collection. I've seen a few people talk about them and review them, and they're doing the whole they wash them and they completely lose their shape and become they look like they've gotten electrocuted. The collection retails for $49. I'm just not into it. I think they just look cheap, to be completely honest. I like Morphe brushes, I have a bunch of them, I'm a Morphe brush fan, but these just don't appeal to me at all. The next is the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose Color Icon Cream Blush. I've seen a few people use these. They look oily, and the shade that it comes out is this maroon plum shade that it seems to be, and it looks like a greasy mess. It retails for $4.99, so it's not it's a complete oh god, I'm being robbed. But I mean, you can find way better cream blush for the same price. So Tarte has this new ooh, we're young and fresh line called Sugar Rush, and I actually got I got a little sample pack of a facial moisturizer and a body cream, and I only got it because it was $12 for the set, and I only got it because the body cream said it was cake batter. Didn't smell like I thought it would, but anyway. This is the Sweet Slice Eye and Cheek palette. Excuse me while I take a nap. It retails for $25. Just gonna leave it there. The next is from Makeup Forever, and this is the Let's Gold Eye Palette. This retails for $45. Not a bad price because you get a lot of eyeshadows in here. I looked up in real life pictures on Instagram to see if anybody's gotten this yet and see what the palette actually looked like. Because on Sephora's website it looks just a little muted, and I'm sad to say it looks just as muted in real people's pictures of it. It just looks muted and boring. I'm very sad to say. And it sucks because $45 isn't a bad price for a Makeup Forever palette, but I mean, yeah, it just doesn't look very fun. The next is the Kat Von D Vegan Love Eyeshadow Palette. This already has only 2 stars on the Sephora website. It's only 15 reviews, but mostly it says that these are as sheer as could be. The formula is not that good. Now it's a limited edition 10 ultra bold vegan shades, all safe for eye use. A new formula you won't find in any other Kat Von D beauty palettes. I'm pretty sure that's a good thing. They're all metallic. It just doesn't look like anything special. And I'm a Kat Von D fan. I like her stuff. It's $43. No. All right, the next is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Fling Eyeshadow Palette. There's 6 shades, and I'm pretty sure there's only 1 matte, but it doesn't even look matte. It's $25. I'm so confused by this color scheme. I don't know what kind of looks you could make with this. If anything, it's an eye topper palette, but still, I mean, I don't get it. No. The next is from the Sephora collection. It's the Metallic Face Palette. This retails for $28. Now I have a highlighter palette that's the same format, and it's really nice, but this basically looks it's 6 shades. They're very nice pan size. Again, I have a similar palette, and this basically looks like all the shades that I can't wear from every highlighter palette that I've ever gotten in a beauty subscription box, except for one. What's that red shade all about? I don't get it. Anyway, pass. The next is from NYX, and this is the last one. This is the A Bit Jelly Gel Illuminator Gel. Comes in 3 shades, like a silver, a gold, and like a copper. This is $15. NYX, who do you think you are? Makeup Revolution, $4. Elf, $6. Wet n Wild, $6, I think. NYX, who do you think you are? All right, and now on to the wish list. So the first is from Benefit, which I'm kind of surprised that I was kind of intrigued by this because I'm not really a huge Benefit fan. I'm just not. I've never really been intrigued by their stuff. So this is the Lash Love in Limited Edition Lash and Brow Kit. It comes with a set of their lashes, deluxe sample size of their roller lash eye mascara, because where else would you wear mascara? The brow mascara, and the Real Invisible Lash Glue for $27. I think this is really cute. I think that's a pretty good deal, and I've never tried, since I'm getting into lashes more and more, I'm intrigued to try their lashes, and I've never seen Benefit lashes before, so yeah, I wouldn't mind trying that. The next is by Morphe, and it's the Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio. I like Morphe beauty sponges. I think they have a really good material that they use. I have a few of them. There's nothing special about the shape. I mean, it's a nice shape. I'm pretty sure it's a shape that I've used before, but I wouldn't mind trying these. And the smaller ones, like it comes with a regular size big one and then 2 smaller ones. I feel like the smaller ones might be bigger than like the Beauty Blender small ones that were like tiny as shit, and I'm pretty sure my dog ate them. She didn't, she's fine. I'm just intrigued to actually see the size of them, but that retails for $16. The next is the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals Artistry Palette. Again, I have mixed feelings about Morphe, but I'm not ready to give up on them because sometimes they shock me and put out a good palette. Not really recently, but sometimes they do. And I'm hoping maybe this is one of them because it looks like it has beautiful shades, it has a nice mix of mattes and metallics, and maybe it's good. And if it's not, I'll get it from Ulta and return it. And this retails for $25. The next I'm on the fence about, but I'm more leaning towards trying it. This is the Clinique Even Better Refresh, Hydrating, and Repairing Makeup. Hyaluronic acid plumps fine, dry lines. Potent peptides help what is wrong with me? Helps keep smooth skin. Oh my God. Helps keep skin smooth. And salicylic acid retexturizes skin. So it's like, it'll hydrate your skin and like protect it from like breakouts and stuff. So that sounds pretty great. My only problem is with Clinique, their color range, their color descriptions make no sense because I've ordered foundations from them in the past. I think it was what the hell foundation is it that came with like, they were like the first ones to do with the big doe foot foundation. It was like hybrid, whatever. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it on the screen. That color was like Alabaster was my actual shade. I've never been the shade Alabaster. That's like, to me, probably one of the lightest shades in the world. I ordered 2 shades from them different and it was both wrong, and I ended up having to go in and get color matched because the shades just made no sense. So Clinique, I don't know what your problem is, but you really need to fix that. This retails for $32. The next is the Benefit Cheerleaders Cheek Leaders Cheek Palette. This retails for $60. I know, that's steep for a cheek palette. This one I'm on the fence with too, because I already have the Cheek Parade, which I love. It has California, which is one of like my favorite blushes ever. This one comes in 2 versions. It comes in Pink Squad and then like a bronze version. The Pink Squad has California. I can't actually read what it actually says. I'll write it on the screen, the 2 new ones. But it looks really pretty and I'm kind of tempted to try it. Maybe next time I get like a 20% off at Ulta, maybe I'll try it because I don't really want to pay 60 bucks for it. All right, the next is by a new brand that's at Ulta called Smith & Cult. This is the Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation. I said it. This retails for $42. For skin that feels covered, never caked, apply Smith & Cult's Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation to soften skin with an illuminating finish. I like that. This mousse to cream formula uses aloe vera gel and chlorophyll. I drink chlorophyll. So anything that like I drink and I can put on my skin sounds just very interesting to me. Now the weird thing is that chlorophyll is a very green, chlorophyll's in plant. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into this. Chlorophyll to instantly calm and brighten. Chlorophyll, it can be like an anti-inflammatory and cleansing agent. Anyway, apply with your fingers, brush or sponge, blah, blah, blah. It melts into your skin. Your face, your rules. This retails for $42. I don't know why. I'm really intrigued by this. It sounds really good. And anything that has aloe and chlorophyll in it just makes me interested. So yeah, I want to try that. Okay. I tried the Lano Lips. It's just like a smaller brand. It was like a lip balm. It was like $14 for this fucking lip balm. It was nothing special. But they have this Face Base Aussie Flyer mask. Retails for $24. It's a leave-on mask that will wake up your stressed, dry skin and renew your glow and radiance with a hint of lanolin, a zing of mint, and a punch of caffeine, and added ginger if you didn't wake up the first time. It's packed with ingredients to specialize in deep hydration, skin repair, and revival and defense. Slather on a nice thick layer to the skin, leave on for greedy skin cells to drink up what it needs. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I sound like... Anyway, you may feel some tingling, that's always fun. If you're feeling brave, clever, use during flying. After 10 minutes, wipe off any excess. You'll be left with ultra hydrated, dewy, squishy skin feeling. The fact that it says dewy, squishy skin makes me feel like my skin is just gonna feel like a wet paper towel, which just sounds so amazing to me. So yeah, I really wanna try it. But it says leave-on mask. So do I leave it on or do I wipe it off? Anyway, I'm intrigued. It retails for, again, for $24. The next is from I Heart Revolution, which is like a baby brand from Makeup Revolution. And they have these really cute donut eyeshadow palettes. They retail for $7. They're adorable. I don't even need to explain why I want to try it. They're just adorable. There's a blue, a pink, like a gold base, and a red. The last one was, and I say was, the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. It retails for $59. I actually was recently just at Ulta today, and I swatched it. It's not as fun as it looks, so I've actually changed my mind about it. The highlighter is like too deep for my skin tone, so nope. I've changed my mind. It's not an anti-haul. It's just, I don't want it. All right, and that was it for my anti-haul / wish list, current, updated list, whatever. Let me know some of yours in the box below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't you guys love if I clap all the time? God, I'm so annoying.